Ready to make your website images and videos pop with Webflow's Lightbox? Let's jump right into Webflow. Open your project and navigate to the page where you want to add the Lightbox. Click the plus icon to open the Add Elements panel. Search for Lightbox and drag it onto your canvas. You'll see it creates a basic Lightbox element ready for customization. Now, let's add content in the Lightbox settings. You can upload an image or link a video. Click the plus icon within the Lightbox to choose your media. For this example, we'll add an image. Select an image from your asset manager or upload a new one. The Lightbox will automatically use this image as its content. Next, customize the thumbnail that triggers the Lightbox. You can use the same image, a different one, or even a custom element like a button. Play around with the sizing and styling to fit your site's design. To take it a step further, use Webflow interactions to animate the Lightbox opening and closing. This can add a subtle, professional touch to your user experience. And that's it. You've successfully implemented a Lightbox in Webflow. Now users can click the thumbnail and a larger, focused view of your image will appear. Experiment with different images, videos, and animations to create engaging experiences on your website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tricks.